हरिः ओम्। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य 9वी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्।
एकवारं गतकक्ष्यायाः पुनस्मरणम्। So in yesterday's class, we have completed the Kriyapada usages or Kriyapada forms for Agnya and Prarthana, and that is called as Lot Lakara in Sanskrit grammar. That gives again whenever we say the Lakara or the Kriyapada forms, they generally go with the combination of Purusha and Vachana. So we'll have in general we'll have 9 forms, and for each lakara we will have 9 forms. So lat lakara, like pathati, patatha, pathanti, like that we have 9 forms. Similarly, lot lakara we had 9 forms. Similarly, every lakara will have 9 forms actually in the combination of purusha and vachana. So we have seen that, and we have also completed the book exercises on the lesson number 13. We did complete a book exercise we have completed, and I think that's the way we completed the last session, and today we will continue with the next section today. The next section is on next section is on the Sankhyaha, that is on numbers actually. So I think hope you would have already gone through the numbers video on Sanskrit Today page. I think we discussed about how to remember certain number sequences, and we also seen numbers from 1 to 100 in that video, right? Hope you would have watched it, and I also assume that you also tried to practice the numbers from 1 to 100 on your own. Okay, with that assumption, I actually go ahead. So we'll not take much time. We'll try to close this ASAP. Yeah, let me read out these numbers once, and as you already went through the video, I suggest you to read along with me, or if you're very new, please you can actually listen to my reading actually. The numbers actually start from 1 to 100. Let me read that. Ekam, Dve, Triyani, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshatihi. एकविंशतिः, द्वाविंशतिः, त्रयोविंशतिः, चतुर्विंशतिः, पञ्चविंशतिः, षड्विंशतिः, सप्तविंशतिः, अष्टाविंशतिः, नवविंशतिः, 30. एकत्रिंशत्, द्वात्रिंशत्, त्रयस्त्रिंशत्, चतुस्त्रिंशत्, पञ्चत्रिंशत्, षट्त्रिंशत्, सप्तत्रिंशत्, अष्टात्रिंशत्, नवत्रिंशत्, चत्वारिंशत्. एकचत्वारिंशत्, द्विचत्वारिंशत्, त्रिचत्वारिंशत्, चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्, पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्, षट्चत्वारिंशत्, सप्तचत्वारिंशत्, अष्टचत्वारिंशत्, नवचत्वारिंशत्, 50. एकपञ्चाशत्, द्विपञ्चाशत्, त्रिपञ्चाशत्, चतुष्पञ्चाशत्, पञ्चपञ्चाशत्, षट्पञ्चाशत्, सप्तपञ्चाशत्, अष्टपञ्चाशत्, नवपञ्चाशत्, षष्टिः. एकषष्टिः, द्विषष्टिः, त्रिषष्टिः, चतुष्षष्टिः, पञ्चषष्टिः, षट्षष्टिः, सप्तषष्टिः, अष्टषष्टिः, नवषष्टिः, सप्ततिः. एकसप्ततिः, द्विसप्ततिः, त्रिसप्ततिः, चतुस्सप्ततिः, पञ्चसप्ततिः, षट्सप्ततिः, सप्तसप्ततिः, अष्टसप्ततिः, नवसप्ततिः, अशीतिः. एकाशीतिः, द्व्यशीतिः, त्रयशीतिः, चतुरशीतिः, पञ्चाशीतिः, षडशीतिः, सप्ताशीतिः, अष्टाशीतिः, नवाशीतिः, 90. एकनवतिः, द्विनवतिः, त्रिनवतिः चतुर्नवतिः पञ्चनवतिः षण्णवतिः सप्तनवतिः अष्टनवतिः नवनवतिः शतम्. Okay, I think this is what it is. And next we also seen in that video certain things to remember, and maybe certain things where we need to focus, like um, first thing is, in Sanskrit always the numbers are actually read in reverse order. So we'll never say like 112 or maybe 125, but mostly we'll start from 5 to 1. So if it is 125, we'll just say Panchavimshatihi, 5, that is 25. Then Panchavimshatihi Panchavimshati Uttara Shatam. So we'll say that 25 more for the 100. So we'll just say always the numbers in reverse in Sanskrit. And even here, if you see Dvavimshatihi, 20, maybe I'll take Panchavimshatihi, 25. The first we'll actually tell the 5, then we'll actually give them a word for 20. And that's why it's read in reverse. That's one thing. And second thing is, for the Dwa series, we need to see like from 11, 12, 22 and 32 we use Dwa, and after that it is Dvi. Okay, and similarly for 13 and 23 and 33 we use Traya, so that is Trayodasha, Trayovimshatihi, Trayastrimshat. And from other numbers, like from 40 onwards, it will be 3. So 3 Chatvarimshat, 3 Panchashat, 3 Shashtihi, 3 Saptatihi, like that. And similarly, and for Ashta also there is some difference. For Ashta, only for first 30 numbers we have and it's a longer elongated Ashta, like Ashtadasha, Ashtavimshatihi, Ashtatrimshat. And from 40 onwards it is just Ashtachatvarimshat, Ashtapanchashat, Ashtashashtihi, Ashtasaptatihi, Ashtashitihi, Ashtanavatihi. Here Ashtashitihi is not because of the longer Ashta, but it's Ashta plus Ashitihi. They combine that, we actually get longer Ta. So Ashtashitihi. That's one thing. And next thing is 96 actually, if we take, it is Shannavatihi. So that is some little different form, but it is actually because of some Sandhi rules, the forms get changed. Okay, I think that's mainly we need to focus on actually. And another thing is the 80 series, you might see the forms a little different. That's because we actually apply some certain kind of Sandhi rules, like Eka plus Ashitihi, Eka Ashitihi, then Dvi plus Ashitihi, Dvayashitihi. So Dvaya, it becomes Dvaya because Dvi plus A, so it's E plus A, it becomes Ya. So Dvayashitihi. And similarly 3 plus A, I mean 3 plus Ashitihi, Trayashitihi. And that's the first 3 you need to be little careful. Not first 3, almost in all the numbers in Ashitihi series. We have to just remember carefully that one. Okay, so that's about it. And the next one we'll move on. So next again we will take up the book exercises on this Sankhyaha. And generally for numbers, the question word will be Kati. Kati is the number. So Udaharanartham, let's take here Balakaha Santi. Kati Balakaha Santi. So how many boys are there? So then the answer would be one of this number. Maybe we can say that Vimshatihi Balakaha Santi. So 20 boys are there. Okay. And similarly, Kati Grihani Santi. How many houses are there? Okay. You can say Chatwari Grihani Santi. 4 houses are there. And Kati Vidyalayaha Santi. How many schools are there? So Dasha Vidyalayaha Santi. Okay. And Kati Pandavaha Santi. Pancha Pandavaha Santi. Kati Kauravaha Santi. Shatam Kauravaha Santi. Okay, so you can directly ask Kati in your existing sentence, and you can answer with one of these number which actually makes sense. First thing, and second thing is for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for first 4 items. Okay, when we frame sentences like Pancha Balakaha Santi or Dasha Balakaha Santi, these numbers from 5 onwards, they do not have any gender. So you can actually use these numbers from 5 for any gender. You can say Pancha Balakaha Santi, Pancha Balikaha Santi, and Pancha Pustakani Santi. No issues there. Okay, but there are some changes happen for 1, 2, 3, 4. For only for these first 4 numbers. If it is masculine, we have different forms, and if it is a feminine, we have different forms, and if it is a neuter, we have different forms. And whatever forms we read here for first 4, ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, these are all actually neuter forms. Okay, we have corresponding masculine and feminine forms. I think it is covered in the book, in the lesson. If it is not covered in the lesson, we will take it up at the end of the lesson. Okay, so for example, if we take all these are in the neuter, so I can just read for pustakam. So ekam pustakam, dve pustake, trini pustakani, chatvari pustakani, and pancha pustakani, shat pustakani, sapta pustakani, it goes on. Okay, but for if it is a masculine word like grantaha, you cannot say ekam grantaha, it becomes ekaha grantaha. Okay, it again follows all the Vishesha rules. Okay, so ekaha grantaha, dvau granthau, and trayaha granthaha, and chatvaraha granthaha. So these are the little different forms for masculine words. Similarly, we have forms for feminine words also, feminine numbers also. Okay, so let us read them later, but at this point, you are free to use numbers from 5 onwards, or if it is a neuter, you can even use from 1 onwards. Okay, and you can actually ask question with Kati on any sentence, and you can answer with that number here. Okay, that's the way you can frame the sentences. Okay, now after 100, how it is actually answered. Okay, so till 100 we know all the numbers, and after 100, how are you going to address the numbers? So by default, it is similar to whatever you see here, like Chatvarimshat, you see, right? The Chatvarimshat series, Eka Chatvarimshat, Dvi Chatvarimshat, Tri Chatvarimshat. The same way for Shatam will also go. Okay, for example, I'm just trying. Yeah, for example, Eka Shatam, Dvi Shatam, Tri Shatam, Satish Shatam, and Pancha Shatam, Shat Shatam, Sapta Shatam, Ashta Shatam, Nava Shatam, and Sahasram. Okay, Sahasram is for 1000. So for one more time, Eka Shatam, Dvi Shatam, Tri Shatam, Satish Shatam, Pancha Shatam, Shat Shatam, and Sapta Shatam, Ashta Shatam, Nava Shatam, and Sahasram. Sahasram is for 1000. And similarly, again from 1000 to 10,000, and it again goes same as Chatvarimshat. Again, Eka Sahasram, Divi Sahasram, Tri Sahasram, Satush Sahasram, Pancha Sahasram, Shat Sahasram, Sapta Sahasram, Ashta Sahasram, and Nava Sahasram, and Dasha Sahasram. Okay, and again it goes like Vimshati Sahasram, Trimshat Sahasram, Chatvarimshat Sahasram, Panchashat Sahasram. It's for 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Because already we know 10, 20, 30. Just add Sahasram to it to make 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, and so on. And for lakh, it is a Laksham. And again it again goes like Eka Laksham, Divi Laksham, Tri Laksham, Chatur Laksham, Pancha Laksham, Shat Laksham, Sapta Laksham, Ashta Laksham, Nava Laksham, Dasha Laksham. And again, Vimshati, Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat for 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, and so on. And again for crore, it is Koti. And again Eka Koti, and Eka Kotihi, and Dvi Kotihi, 3 Kotihi, Yeah, Chaturkotihi and Panchakotihi, Shatkotihi, Saptakotihi, Ashtakotihi, Navakotihi and Dashakotihi. Okay, so here and one more thing is Shatam. Shatam, Laksham, and these two are actually kind of a neuter words, and Kotihi is not a neuter form, so it will have Visarga at the end. Okay, so that's about it overall. And how do you read, for example, if you want to say 122? So how do you read 122 number? So basically we'll start from reverse. Anyhow, we know for 22 it is Dvavimshatihi, and then we'll generally say Dvavimshati Uttara Shatam. That means 22 plus 100. So that is 122. Okay, that's the way we read numbers. And similarly, for example, 1252. Okay, 1252, 1252. So 52 it is called as Dvi Panchashat, and 252 is Dvi Panchashat Uttara Dvi Shatam, and 1252 is Dvi Panchashat Uttara Dvi Shata Uttara Sahasram. Hope you are able to get it right. So 1252. So 52 is Dvi Panchashat, and 252 is Dvi Panchashat Uttara Dvishatam, and 1252 is Dvi Panchashat Uttara Dvishata Uttara Eka Sahasram or Sahasram. Okay, hope you are able to follow that, right? And it actually goes the same way. If it is a 1,10,253 or something like that, you just go in the reverse order. Like 3 Panchashatotara Dvisahasrottara Dvishatotara Dashasahasrottara Ekalaksham. Okay, you have to just read them in the reverse order. Okay, that's one thing. And now what we'll do is we'll just take some time as exercise time. If there are any questions, we can actually clarify that, and we'll also try to frame some sentences like using Kati. So like can actually ask Kati Vrikshaha Santi. You can say Shatam Vrikshaha Santi. Okay, Kati Deshaha Santi, Shatam Deshaha Santi. Okay, basically you can ask Kati with any sentence, and you try to answer with the appropriate number. Okay, and I prefer you take examples above 4. Okay, don't take till 4 because we have that gender differences. So after 4 you can take any number, you can try to attempt it. Okay, and preferably you try till Shatam, and we'll actually take separately another exercise for above Shatam.
Video you said that 20 मतलब अष्टविंशत् अधिक एकशतम् अधिक ये उत्तर, what is this उत्तर?
You can use alternatively either uttara or adhika. So you can even say 125. You can say like a Panchavinshat.
That may be easy to us. Adhika.
Yeah. Whichever is easy for you, you can take that. So Panchavinshat uttara ekashatam 125.
Just 12,255. Panchavinshat adhika द्विशतकम् अधिक द्वादशसहस्रम्.
उत्तमम्.
सम्यक् वा?
Yeah, that is correct. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
दश अंगुल्यः.
No, you have to ask question like with Kati and answer with one of the numbers here.
गृहे कति जनाः सन्ति? 5 जनाः सन्ति.
उत्तमम्.
कति आपणाः सन्ति? 11 आपणाः.
ओके, 11 आपणाः सन्ति. उत्तमम्.
कति पुस्तकाः सन्ति? 40 पुस्तकाः सन्ति.
Yeah, pustaka shabda is napumsakalinga shabdah. So pustakani, kati pustakani santi? 40 pustakani santi.
कति पुस्तकानि सन्ति? 40 पुस्तकानि सन्ति. थैंक यू.
उत्तमम्.
कति सोपानानि सन्ति? 77 सोपानानि सन्ति.
कति स्थालिकाः सन्ति 12 स्थालिकाः सन्ति
उत्तमम्
हरि ओम्
हरि ओम्
कति मासाः सन्ति 12 मासाः सन्ति
मातृशब्दः ऋकारान्तशब्दः कति मातरः सन्ति 12 मातरः सन्ति sorry your audio is not clear
how many months are there
okay मासाः सन्ति okay got it okay
मासाः सन्ति
okay अस्तु कति मासाः सन्ति 12 मासाः सन्ति समीचीनम्
हस्ते कति अङ्गुलिकाः सन्ति हस्ते 10 अङ्गुलिकाः सन्ति
उत्तमम् अङ्गुली and अङ्गुल्यः so कति अङ्गुल्यः सन्ति
sorry अङ्गुल्यः कति अङ्गुल्यः सन्ति हस्ते 10 अङ्गुल्यः सन्ति
उत्तमम्
कति कौरवाः सन्ति 100 कौरवाः सन्ति
उत्तमम्
कति छात्राः सन्ति 96 छात्राः सन्ति
उत्तमम्
मार्गे कति वाहनानि गच्छन्ति मार्गे 33 वाहनानि गच्छन्ति
कति बालिकाः क्रीडन्ति 21 बालिकाः क्रीडन्ति
उत्तमम्
कति दिनाः सन्ति वर्षे कति दिनाः सन्ति वर्षे 65 अधिक 300 दिनाः सन्ति
65 अधिक 300 दिनानि सन्ति अत्र दिनम् इट्स् दिनानि इति एक्चुअली इट्स् नपुंसकलिङ्ग शब्दः
ओ दिनानि ओके 65 अधिक 3
I asked you to take 340 format like a 300 yeah 300 अस्तु
कति रुचयः सन्ति 6 रुचयः सन्ति
उत्तमम्
महोदय
now I think we'll take yes
महोदय small doubt generally we say shad ruchi here it is shat ruchi or shad ruchi
okay there the sandhi applies if there is any light consonant comes after shat it becomes shad we will we'll learn that but let's not worry about that now actually yeah.
Okay sir okay Mahoday
yeah as a beginner if you say shat it's not a problem yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing is maybe now we can actually take after shatam let's take examples after shatam or bigger numbers
suppose I want to say this year is 2021 no so can I say ekavimshatiः उत्तर द्विसहस्रं चलति can I say that
yeah we can say that but only thing is when you say adhikar uttara okay this is a common note for everybody when you say adhikar uttara don't add visarga before that actually if you say
okay
shashtihi plus uttara if you want to say you just say shashti uttara or shashti adhika okay don't say shashtihi adhika shashtihi uttara that is wrong and similarly
okay. So it is
yeah, can you repeat now your sentence now
can I say so it is ekavimshati adhika द्विसहस्रं
yeah द्विसहस्रं yeah that is correct
okay धन्यवादः
देवालये कति सोपानानि सन्ति देवालये 7 अधिक then this 100 सोपानानि सन्ति is it correct
yeah that is correct yes
thank you
that is षष्टिः
adhika or sashtihi uttara, that visarga is lopa sandhi, visarga is lost. But supposing we say chatottara, so satodika also is correct, panchodika, satodika, is it correct?
Yeah, we can say that, yes.
Panchodika will come first.
Panchadhika or panchottara. Yeah, panchadhika or panchottara.
Panchadika or panchottara.
Kati Upanishad santi, Ashta Uttara Shatam Upanishad santi.
Yeah, this number is correct, but only Upanishad form is wrong. It's Upanishad is the Dakaranta Shabda, the Bahuvachana would be Upanishadaha. So Kati Upanishadaha santi. Yeah, Ashtottara Shatam Upanishadaha santi.
Thank you. Yeah, Dhanyavadaha.
I think that's about the questions here, and there are some chat questions. So can you please cover gender forms for 1 to 4? I think I will cover after the session, after the lesson. I'm not sure if the lesson covers that. If lesson covers, we'll take it up. Otherwise, we'll cover at the end. And Kati Lekhanani santi. I take it as a lekhanam. It's a write up. Okay, Kati Lekhanani santi, Dasha Lekhanani santi. 10 write ups are there. And 1,25,000 Panchavimshati Adhikaha Ekaha Lakshaha. Is that correct? No. It is Lakshaha is not masculine word. It's an Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. So Panchavimshatyuttara or Panchavimshatyadhika Eka Laksham. That is the right way to say. And Kati Mapikaha santi. Chatwari Mapikaha santi. I said avoid till 4 actually. It has different forms like it. And next is it is Adhikaha, not Adhikaha. Yes, it is not Adhika, it is Adhika. Yes. And Kati Pushpani santi 153. So 3 Panchashyat Uttara Dashani santi. No, it's not Dashani, it's Dasham. Or Dasha, sorry, it's just Dasha. So 3 Panchashyat Uttara Dasha. And that's the right answer. And yeah, okay. So either you can use Adhika or Uttara to mean it is more. And similarly, sometimes you want to say the other way. You want to minus and say the numbers. For example, if you want to say 99, you can either say 99, that is Navanavatihi, or you can say 1 lesser to Shatam. You can say Ekona Shatam. So Eka Una Shatam. So 1 lesser to Shatam. That's another way to say that. Either we can use Una or Nuna. So either of that you can use to say is lesser. So for example, Pancha Nuna Shatam means it is Panchanavatihi. It is a 95. So 5 lesser to Shatam. Or even you can also say the same for even bigger numbers, even if to confuse the other person. Like you can also say Vimshati Nuna Shatam, you can say for 80. Okay, it's 20 lesser to Shatam. Okay, that's a very common way. There's no standard way to mention numbers like it's always 80, we should say, not like 20 minutes, like 20 lesser to 100. We don't say that in other languages, but here there is no restriction like that. We normally say in any way, just to mean that number. Okay, so till 4 if we take, it is always for neuter, it is Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatwari. Ekam Pustakam, Dve Pustake, Trini Pustakani, Chatwari Pustakani. I think we are clear there. And if it is a masculine, it would be like Ekaha. For let's take an example of Ekam. Okay, for masculine it is Ekaha, for feminine it is Eka, for neuter it is Ekam. Example: Ekaha Grantaha, Eka Pustika, Ekam Pustakam. Ekaha Devalayaha, Eka Pariksha, or Ekam Pushpam. Okay, Ekaha, Eka, Ekam. For Dve, it will be Dvau, Dve, Dve. Okay, Dvau Balakau, 2 boys, Dve Nartakyav, 2 dancers, and Dve Pustake, 2 books. Okay, so Dvau, Dve, Dve. So Ekaha, Eka, Ekam, Dvau, Dve, Dve, And for Trini, it will be Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini. So it is little different. Trayaha Granthaha Santi. 3 books or 3 granthas are there. And Tisraha Nartakyaha Santi. 3 dances are there. And Trini Pustakani or Trini Pushpani Santi. 3 flowers are there. Okay. Punaha Trayaha Devalayaha Santi. 3 temples are there. Tisraha Parikshaha Santi. 3 exams are there. And Trini Pustakani Santi. 3 books are there. Okay. Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini. And for Chatwari, Chatvaraha, Chatasraha, Chatwari. So, Udahanam, Chatvaraha Vedaha Santi. 4 Vedas are there. Chatasraha Mahilaha Santi. 4 women are there. And Chatwari Pustakani or Chatwari Pushpani Santi. 4 flowers are there. Okay, Chatvaraha, Chatasraha, Chatwari. Punaha Chatvaraha Margaha Santi. 4 ways are there. And Chatasraha Nartakyaha Santi. 4 dancers are there. And Chatwari Pushpani or Chatwari Pustakani Santi. Okay, let me repeat the forms again. Ekaha, Eka, Ekam. Dvau, Dve, Dve. Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini. Chatvaraha, Chatasraha, Chatwari. Okay, these are the forms for till 4. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions, please raise them in the forum, or you can actually ask them in the Telegram group also. Please subscribe to this channel Sanskrit Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And make use of the comment section below the video to post any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series. And finally, click on the like button, and thank you all for watching this video. Dhanyavadaha.